Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up Verizon Wi-Fi extender. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Verizon's Wi-Fi extender quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to the link in the description to access Verizon's official setup guide. If you're using wireless pairing, plug your extender into a power outlet near your Verizon gateway and wait for a solid yellow light. Press and hold the pair button on both the gateway and the extender and watch for the blinking blue lights as they connect. If the light flashes red, there's an error, but a solid white or blinking yellow light means the setup is complete. Then move your extender to a location between this gateway and the weak Wi-Fi area. Adjust its distance based on the yellow light speed. For wired pairing, connect the extender to your router with an Ethernet cable first, then plug it in and follow the same light indicator steps. Once the light turns solid white, you're ready to enjoy your stronger Wi-Fi throughout your home. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.